I guess no one else is joining. I think these are just the number of people that have been joining. Okay. Let's pray. In Jesus' name, in the mighty name of Jesus, Heavenly Father, we thank you once again. We thank you for this gathering. We thank you for the opportunity to meet ourselves once again, even after a 1 week break. We see many belly exalted in the mighty name of Jesus. We thank you because even during the 1 week break, you do not allow us to hear any evil news concerning anyone. We see many belly exalted in the mighty name of Jesus. As we've come together once again, give us the grace, give us the opportunity to be able to understand whatever is being learned today in the mighty name of Jesus. We ask for more knowledge, we ask for understanding for whatever the tutor is saying in the mighty name of Jesus.
Amen.
Go before us and make this class a successful one for us in the mighty name of Jesus. In Jesus' mighty name I've prayed. Amen.
Amen.
Okay, so let's start with this. Okay, so let's start with this. What of my project? Like, what happened to my project?
Okay, ma. For me, I did your project too, but on our last class before the break, you said we're going to submit it as a presentation.
Oh, was that what I
Was-
said?
Yes, that's what you said on the last class, that we're going to submit it as a presentation.
I actually thought because I've been waiting for it that let me go through this people project before we even have a class. I don't know that that was what I said though. Okay,
Yes,
no problem. Chisom, you have your project also, right?
Yes, ma'am. Looking at me.
He's looking at you. Glory be to God. So you guys have the floor because you guys are teaching me today. And oh, it was okay. It was not a group work, right? It was
Yes.
individual.
You know this group work. Oh.
Okay, okay.
And before we continue, can we just talk about my own amount? Like when I calculating it, not realize.
Okay, so the both of you are using before we go into that chisel coming. So the both of you are using um what do you call it? You're using your phone for this call, right?
Yes.
How do we want to do this thing like this? Because I need you guys to share your screen. Oh. You have to share your screen and
ma.
present it.
For me, I'm using my laptop
Okay.
because I was robbed a few days back, so I lost my
Jeez.
phone.
How come? Is it in your house?
No, 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 no,
Okay, when
not
you
in
come
my.
back from work.
Yeah.
So
Sorry.
sorry about that. Okay. So sorry.
Thank you, ma.
Okay, so you're using your laptop for the call. Okay, Chisom, how do you want to do it?
Ma'am,
Because you have to share your screen.
I'm
Wait,
good. Okay.
do you have a Google account on this system that you're using?
Yes, there's a Google account there.
Like your own Gmail.
Not my own. Oh. The person I don't log into it. Oh, God forbid.
Okay, I think we'll just have to manage with the person own. I think I've showed you before how to go into Google Meet through the Google Workspace.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, so try it. So the link that I sent to the group, just add it. Like put type it there. You know, once you click on Google Meet, they will show you a part that if you want to write the code. Yes, you can now
Yes.
write. Yes, you can write the code. Then the code is always having this dash dash in between. So just write the code there, then join.
Jesus. Mm, 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 mm. I'm coming. Oh.
Okay, don't worry, I'm waiting for you. Today is for you guys. I didn't even know that I said we should present it, and I'm bothering myself that ah today is for you people. Or let's have Mr. Michael start since you're still working on with that. So Mr. Michael, share your screen with us and explain what you've done. I know Mr. Michael heard me. Oh. he heard me. Mr. Michael, are you still here with us? Because you're muted. I can't hear you.
I'm here. I'm trying to share my screen. I'm here
Oh,
with you.
okay. Okay.
Ma, can you see my screen?
No. Okay, I can see it now.
Okay. Can you see it now?
Yes, I can see it.
From the data you sent to us, you said we should add the total sales column, which is this last column I added here. Then to my dashboard.
Wait, go
Sorry.
back, go back. Go back first. So start from the beginning. Someone should mute their mic, please. Please mute your mic, please. Thank you. Okay. So, Mr. Michael, start from the beginning again. Like explain, like present it again.
Okay. So this is a data set for a coffee shop.
Okay.
So it says data for a coffee shop. Then from the data set, you said we should add the total sales because the data came without the actual total sales. So I added this column for the total sales. And the total transaction ID for
Sorry,
the shop is
sorry. Please, can you hold on? Can you hold on, please? I'm trying to open the PDF document that I sent to you guys. Just hold on, please, so that I can even see. Cause I don't think I can remember what I asked you guys to do actually. But just hold on. um, that's assignment. Okay. Okay. Okay, you can continue.
so this is the total sales column for all the transaction, and the total transaction there is 1,459,456.
Okay,
That's the total
your total transaction.
transaction.
So how did you know that it is 1,000? Where did you see it?
Mm, let me come up. I went through all the data files, like I checked through the filter.
Okay.
I think, yeah.
Okay.
So
Continue.
it showed me the total transaction. Then I did. Ma, please, you'll be reminding me because it seems like I've forgotten some of the questions. You said we should do transaction by.
Okay, so the first thing I said
We should
was
do.
you should familiarize yourself with the data. How many transactions were recorded and over what
Yeah.
period of time? Over what period of time is okay? That data set that you have with you is it for years? Like is it for 2 years or something like that? That's for over
Okay,
what
this
period of time?
data set is for 6 months.
One say 6 months.
It's for 2020, yeah, 2023.
Okay. So
So it's
from
from January to June.
okay.
That's first and second quarter. Yeah.
Yes. So the next question is what product and product categories were sold?
Okay. So we have a quite varieties of product categories. There's coffee, there's flavor, there's tea. There's quite a lot. I think it's about more than 15 or so. Are you with me, man?
Yes, I'm with you. I'm trying to confirm. So you said the product category is over 15, right?
Yes, ma.
You're sure?
Yes, ma.
I think that is wrong.
Okay. I think it's okay. Sorry. Product category is about 8. Sorry.
Uh-huh.
Then the product type, that's what I'm saying, is over 15.
Okay. 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 Okay, so continue. So the next question I said, which is number two, that you should add a new column to calculate revenue. Revenue.
Yeah, that's this column for the total sale.
And click on, let me see the formula that you used.
Okay.
So once you click on it, go to your view tab. No, just press enter.
This
Press
is
press enter. Press enter. Okay, so go to your view tab.
okay.
Now turn on your formula bar. Your formula bar is off, so turn it on. Okay,
Okay.
yeah. So unit price times quantity. Okay. Okay, so continue. Your next question. So I said the objective two, you have to insert a pivot table on a new sheet to show the revenue by month. A pivot table on a new sheet to show revenue by month. Yeah, let me see that.
This is it, man. So this is
Okay.
for January to this is for the whole month of January.
Okay. Hold on. I'm trying to remember this person name. That's in this called Tai. That's not her name. There's another name she gave to me. Uh, Titania. There's another name she gave to me. I can't really remember that name now. Is she on this call?
It's me, Chisom. Yes, I'm on the call.
Okay, Chisom. Cause now I've seen this name before. Okay, Chisom. So,
What?
okay, Mr. Michael, Chisom, have you connected already? Can you do you know how
Yes,
to
I'm done
do you know how to share your screen?
from this place.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Let
So,
me.
Mr. Michael, stop sharing your screen for now. Let me see Chisom on from the beginning part. So just stop sharing your screen.
Okay, man.
Um,
Yeah, thank you.
I'm coming. Coming. Hey, she's green.
All my life you have been faithful.
No.
Okay.
So my this is my pro-
No, I want to see it from the beginning, like as if you are presenting to me. So from the beginning.
okay, I'm coming. I'm getting confused now. Okay. Okay.
I love you, Lord.
Is it from here?
Yes, from the beginning.
Okay. So this is a data set on a company that has different branches, three to be exact, in different parts, in different locations. So this data set consists of 6 months, and it has 100 and something columns in it. Um, so for this data set,
It have
wow,
100 and something something. What is something something? I don't
one
understand.
hundred and something thousand columns
Ah,
in it.
hey Jesus, God, continue.
So I was asked to calculate the total revenue using my quantity, using quantity times unit price.
Okay, so
So that's, yeah. So this is why is this sitting like this? So this is what I was talking about when I said that the thing is having problem. In this place, the unit price is $5, and they only sold. Let me take it back. They only sold. They only sold. They sold two products, and the unit price is $5. And I calculated it, and it gave me $9.
click on your $9. Let me see. Click on it. Then go to your
Ah,
view. Go to your view tab. Press enter. Press enter. Press enter first. Press enter.
okay. Okay.
Like enter on your keyboard. Okay. So now your formula bar. Turn it on. Formula bar. Turn it on.
Okay.
Under grid line. Yes. Turn it on. Okay. So you said H5.
Daddy make his menu man. You see that day?
Click on your column 9. Let me see.
I've clicked on it.
So H4 times D4.
I think there is no bracket in it.
Can that be the reason? I'm coming. Okay. Since it's dealing with multiplication, I don't think it's supposed to have anything relating to bracket. Equals to.
We can still continue like that though.
Wait, you and always continue. Jesus is Lord. This guy. Unit price, Abby, and quantity. Continue like that. Does that? So, Chisom, Chisom,
Ma?
can you hear me?
Ma? Yes, ma.
Now you said it's giving you 9.
Yes, ma.
When I sent, let me even see your screen again. When I sent this data set to you, you removed the decimal point, right?
Yes, I turned the unit price to dollars.
Even if you turned it to dollars, you should have removed the decimal, because if you look at the decimal very well, okay, if you look at the decimal point very well, you see that it is not that after the decimal is zeros, it is zero zero that is there. Some of the
Yes,
decimal,
ma.
some of the ones that have decimal, it has numbers which is like 4, 3 and stuff like that. So this unit price, you can see this is 3.1. So that one for number four, like row 4, the next one is 4.5 that is there. But because of you did a round up of it, it's giving you 5. Now if you times 4 times 2 is 8, right?
Yes, ma.
0.5. That's why they're giving you 9 because I just calculated it now from my own end. So I think it's that point that you removed that made it so confusing for you. The fact that you removed that point, that does not mean that Excel still cannot recognize that point. You can see that when you clicked on it, it's still showing you that point there. So Excel still recognizes, so that's why they're giving you this calculation. Do you understand? So you are actually
Yes, ma.
correct. Just click on your unit price, highlight it, down, 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 like there's exactly. Click on it. Down, 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 down. Okay.
If I come down, it's just I'm just like,
Click on it.
Jesus
Hey,
Christ.
just press Ctrl Z, Ctrl Z, then
Ah,
press enter.
what's all this now?
Press enter. You must not click on any cell when you're trying to work on something. Okay, now so click on, take your arrow there, exactly there. So click on it like that. Yes.
I don't know. Nothing's happening. I don't know. Okay, that's click.
Wait, wait, just calm down, calm down. Now I don't want this header to be picked, so I light it again. I don't want that header to be picked. Take the arrow down, down, here like that. So click on it and hold on. I think your system is kind of slow, so just hold on once you click on it. Okay, yes. So now you see that increase decimal. How I showed people how to increase decimal. Just go there. No, no, no. Okay, yes. Yes, it's back. Okay, it's back already. So just leave it like that.
Okay.
Yeah. I'm coming. This part's supposed to show you decimal also, which means I'm sure that even in this your total cost color that you did, they gave you decimal, abi?
No, they gave it to me once like this.
Okay, they don't give you decimal.
Nope, they did not give decimal.
Highlight it or click on it. Click on, like, double click on one of the cell like that, then press enter.
Mhm.
Press enter. Okay, highlight everything because there's some decimal point that really matters in some companies. So highlight everything. Yes. Yes, like that. Highlight. Okay, so try to increase the decimal again. Let me see if it's going to come back. Wait, hold on. I'm looking for one. There's one that have two decimal places. I'm coming. Like that row 10. Row 10 is supposed to have two decimal places.
Should I add to it?
Add again. Ash. Oh, is it correct? Okay, yes, yes, it's back. 4.25. That's row 10. Mm, so
So
you
I
can
can continue.
you can leave it like this. You can continue.
Okay. So now to know what I was calculating for, I wrote it down. Let this stupid thing just come up.
Ah,
This was
how come Chisom this thing is very sharp like that? I was not able to see Mr. Michael on very well. I was just trying to like strain my eyes to see it. Did you zoom in, Chisom?
nope, no.
Ah, okay, okay, continue.
So before I could make do any calculation, I had to write down what I wanted to find out about the company and everything. So first of all, I wanted to find out how much did Lower Manhattan make for the month. Then I created a new pivot table, and I found out that Lower Manhattan made 230, no wait, 230,000, 230,557 naira, yes, for the month. And Astoria Kitchen made 232,244 naira dollars for the month, and Else Kitchen made 236,511 for the entire, not the month, I mean for the entire 6 months. And Hell's Kitchen, out of all, sold the highest number of products,
Okay, hold on.
followed by
Hold
food.
on. Sorry, hold on. Now, what I want to see now before I go back to Mr. Michael is, I think Mr. Michael stopped at where safe. Show me your pivot table for your revenue by month.
I only did for January. Two was too much. I could not do for the entire month. Like, look at it.
Okay, so that's what I wanted to say. Okay, Mr. Michael, you can stop sharing your screen. Mr. Michael, you can continue.
Okay, let me just let me go
Just
back.
go back to your Google Meet and so Mr.
I just
Michael,
Google meeting. Not,
do not close this Excel. This is you want to go and click on that X sign now. Don't go and close it.
I'm not closing the exam.
So just stop sharing the screen. Just go back to your Google Meet, then click on stop sharing. So Mr. Michael, if you want to share your screen, do not share the entire screen. Only share your browser screen like a window. Do you understand? Is
Mr. Michael.
Is it?
Mr. Michael. Oh.
Ah.
I can hear you, ma. That's what I'm doing.
Okay. Please be giving us response so we can know that we are flowing together.
Can you see, ma?
Okay, yes, I can see it. Can you try to zoom in? Is it zoom in or zoom? Yes, zoom in. Yes, it's okay like that. No, it's too much. It's too much. It's too much. Hey, it's okay. It's okay like this. It's okay like this. Now, okay, I've seen this. I wanted to say something before, but before I go into that, you guys, your next question. Show me the number of transaction by product category.
Okay, this is it, ma.
In descending order, right?
Yes, ma.
Okay. I don't know how it is possible for two people to be sharing screen, but it's not possible. I want to be seeing your own and be seeing Chiso's own immediately. But let's just continue. Okay. So the next question is, add a pivot table to show the number of transactions and revenue by product type and sort it out descending. Let me see. Did you hear me, Mr. Michael?
Ma, this is what I'm showing you now. You said product. Come again, ma, with your question.
I think
Okay,
you
the
should show
product
the
type.
number of transaction and revenue by product type. The one you showed me is by product category. So this one is the number
Okay.
of transactions and
Yeah,
revenue by product type. Perfect.
Product
This
type.
is what I wanted to see. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. Please tell me how were you able to do it, that you were able to bring it down to 15? Did I cheat you? No, I did not. I did not. Did I?
No, ma.
Because when I was putting the question, I was like, these people are going to call me. I know that they're going to call me. Because I did not show you for that part. Okay, oh. What's the next question? I think the next one is the dashboard. Okay, so you can stop sharing your screen. I think basically I've seen everything. Okay, just show me your dashboard. Let me see your dashboard. Let me see your dashboard.
Okay. This is my dashboard.
2023 first and second sales analysis, quarter sales analysis. Is it first and second? Okay, it says 6 months. Okay.
Yes, ma.
Okay, go down. You can go down. Let me see. Okay. So you can stop sharing your screen. Let me see Chisom. Oh, now. you, Lord, for your mercies never fail me. All my days. Okay, so you can continue, Chisholm. You have the floor. So show me the rest of your presentation. You are muted. I cannot hear you. I will sing.
Yeah, I forgot I was muted.
Okay, so you can
Totally
continue now.
forgot. So as I was saying before, so I was able to figure out what branch station sold the highest and the one that sold the least. Then I calculated for
Wait,
products.
these things that you just showed me now is not part of the question I gave you, right?
Which is
Like the one you just did now.
this.
The
I
branch.
did not see it as part of the
Oh,
no,
okay,
it's
okay,
not there.
okay. Continue.
Then I calculated for products like the product with the highest number of sales. Then I figured out that coffee was the high with the product with the product category with the highest number of sales, followed by tea, bakery, drinking chocolate, coffee beans, branded flavors, loose tea, and packaged chocolates. And for everything here, we have a total of 230,557 naira.
Wait,
So I
wait,
also
wait,
came
wait,
up with like
wait, wait, wait.
yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
This one that you are doing right now is what?
Product sales
No, is it product type? Is it product category? Let me understand your question.
category.
Product
Category.
category. Hold on.
Yes.
Product category. Okay. Okay. Okay, continue.
So I figured that the reason why coffee sold the most is that we have many working class people who need coffee to stay alive. People like me now. If I'm going to work in the morning, I prefer drinking. I like drinking coffee for energy. So I figured that maybe that's why coffee sold the most.
Okay.
Moving on. The this is for January. January alone. I don't know. The chat was giving me problem.
Okay.
So in the month of January, they had the highest number of sales on the 17th. They sold a total of $3,286. That's how much sale they had. And their lowest sale was $2,037 in on 1st of January 28th, 2023. 2023. Moving on. This is product versus quantity. I did not see, I don't know whether I saw this, I did not see this one side question. So the highest once again, the product category with the highest number of sales, with the highest um quantity of sales quantity is coffee, followed by tea, bakery, and the one with the lowest is packaged chocolate. Sheet four. This one is like I did not create a sheet for this one because it was too much. If I tried to create sheets, the numbers jam packing together.
What were you supposed to do there?
So I don't know. I was supposed to create a that thing that is always there with the
What's the
illustration.
thing? What's the thing? God, I beg. What's the thing?
That with charts, yes, a hair. Charts that will show in this place. But when I tried to create the charts, it was like jam packed and all the
Um,
numbers I could never see it for
what
myself. So I had to
what exactly is the question you're trying to like get answer for?
okay. Now this thing now is for product type. The type of product that sold the most. Not category, not coffee. This one type of product. Now because under that category we have the type of product. So and that's what I wanted to calculate. And baristas espresso. sold the most under product site.
Okay.
They had $91,006 point 2 seconds. And the lowest was Jesus Christ. Hey.
Yes. Hey.
The lowest was green beans with a total of $101,340.
With the way this thing,
Moving
with the
on.
way this thing is like this, how sure are you that that's the lowest?
I arranged it from descending order.
Okay. Continue.
It's from descending order.
Continue.
Finally, this is my dashboard.
Okay. Oh, that's true.
Sorry about the
I did not see a slicer on the Mr. Michael dashboard though. I think I said in the question. Let me see.
yes, we should put slicer.
Yes, I think she had a slicer for the store location. Mr. Michael did not have a slicer.
I think I don't know if it is my own Excel that is giving me that issue or not. Once I'm in on the dashboard, the slicer does not appear. But if I go back to the main sheet, like the main data, if I put the slicer, it keeps loading, 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 and never appears. So I don't know if it's my own Excel that has that bug or so
Microsoft
I've tried many times.
Microsoft 365. That's what you're still using, right? Mr. Michael. Mr. Michael, can you hear me?
I can hear you, ma.
I said it's still Microsoft 365, right?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, I don't know what's wrong with that. But you can always try to figure it out why it's like that because you always need a slicer. At least you will always need it when working or when analyzing data. You will always need it. Okay. So you guys did well. You can stop sharing your screen now, Chisom. You guys did well.
Okay.
At least I'm surprised for the fact that because I was actually expecting you guys to call during the week that man, I don't understand this part. But I think at this point I am proud of myself. Let me put it this way. That you guys are able to understand how to navigate your way. So you guys did well from my own perspective. You did well. At least you did more than I I imagined. Yes, but there are little corrections that you will have to take note of. Now, the first correction I'm going to. Sorry, please, can that person mute their mic, please? Thank you. So, the first correction I'm going to talk about is. Let me start with Mr. Michael. So, Mr. Michael, you did well in your presentation. I think you followed all the instructions apart from that slicer aspect. And there was a part I said, in fact, Chisom said did not do it. There was a part I said, where is it? How many transactions were recorded? Over what period of time? What products and product categories were sold? If you remember, when you were presenting, Mr. Michael, I asked you, where is it? You keep on mentioning the numbers of transactions, but where is it? You said you counted it. Same thing with Chisom. Now, you guys were not supposed, like, you were not expected to start counting it. Okay, I don't know how you guys counted it, but if you have a lot of rules, you can't be doing that. That was why I gave you a formula or a function in our last class using your count function. You need to count the number of transactions. That's one. Secondly, okay, let's agree that you were able to get the number of transactions successfully. Maybe let's agree that you were right with the numbers. Imagine I gave this project last week and you are presenting it today. And when you are presenting it, you can't remember the number except if you have to check again. Now, shareholders, board of directors, they won't wait for you to start saying you want to start checking the Excel file again. Because when you are presenting to them, you are not presenting the Excel file to them, you are presenting to them your dashboard alone, not your Excel file. So you don't even have the chance, you don't even have um the grace to say you want to go and start checking your Excel again to start counting the rows. So I expected you guys to have written it down in a part of the Excel sheet, so that just put it there in the Excel sheet that sorry, coming, give me a minute, sorry. Okay. So just put it in the Excel sheet that, oh, the number of transactions that was sold, the number of transactions that were recorded, you put it there. Number of transaction, you put the number of the transaction that you got. One, if you know you want to count it yourself, it's your choice, but I would not advise it. But if you eventually count it yourself and you feel like, oh, I am correct with this number, and you have to just put it there. That's for the first thing. Write it down. You can forget. Since last week, me, I don't know about others, but for me, I would definitely forget. Sure, I will not start putting number in my. I can't be putting numbers in my head. You will definitely forget. So always try to jot it down at a side, like in a side on your Excel sheet. Jot it down there. That's for one. Two, do not even count manually. Do not. You can make mistake. You can make mistake. That was why the function is there. Excel is meant for calculation. The count function is there. Equals to count. Highlight the transaction column. It will count the row for you immediately. So the time you are wasting to be doing all those paparazzi that you are counting it, you feel like wasting time already. Instead of you to be doing something else, you're already wasting time. That's two. Three, the same thing with over what period of time. You guys did not jot it down. Over what period of time. You have to check it, and which is not supposed to be so. Jot it down so that even if you don't even present it with your mouth, and I tell you that, okay, oh, submit the stuff to me, immediately I open it, I will see the answer there instantly. I don't need to start cracking my head that, oh, what is she trying to say? No. Jot those your findings how, jot it down on your Excel sheet at a side. What product and product categories were sold, that's also jotting it down too. Even if it's much, put it there. So that's the correction that I'm going to make. That's the first correction I'm going to make for the first tax. That's for the both of you. And adding a new column. I said add a new column to calculate revenue. You guys did well. At least you were able to get the answer. You did well with that. But what is your column name? I'm seeing, I think Chisom used total cost for a column name. You can't use total cost for, because it is a revenue. When your client is seeing it, or your supplier is seeing it, they should understand that, okay, this column is for revenue. I can't really remember what Mr. Michael used actually, but your column name should signify what exactly is there. You using total cost, I will be very, very confused. What is total cost again? I don't understand. Leave it there as
So
revenue. Okay.
for me, my use total sales.
Do not use revenue, that will be easy for people to understand. Use revenue. If you say, okay, if you tell me this is the total sales, I won't easily understand that, oh, you times what's going on. Okay, we have less than 15 minutes on this call. So if you tell me total sales, I won't easily or quickly understand that, oh, this person times the price and the quantity. I won't my mind will never go there. but but if you tell me revenue, I will understand immediately that, okay, this was the behind the scene of what this person did, the price and the quantity. So use column header, like column name, that people can easily understand and can relate with. That's two. So the third one, at least I'm very, very glad that you guys were able to get the pivot table aspect on how to create pivot table. In fact, that is really massive. I understand. So I'm not going to say anything about the first pivot table, which is to show revenue by month. I won't complain about it because I intentionally kept it there because sorry sorry. So I I wanted you guys to understand that there is a way your pivot table can have only months: January, February, March, April, May, June. There is a way. In fact, only month in the sense that it will not have day, like your dates. You put one slash maybe the month is second, then 2023 or something like that. It would have 2023. It would have the day. It won't have it. It will only have the month, and which is January, February. It will only have it. So I intentionally gave you that question because that's what I'm going to work on today. Also, I'm going to show it to you guys. I was even thinking somebody will even outsmart it and figure it out, but I understand if you did not get that. Now you cannot do a pivot table that shows revenue by month like that because it's very very tiny for someone to see. I think Mr. Michael own is only showing January. It's only January you can see. Why? Because of it is counting the days, like the days in January. Day one, day two, day three. That's what it is counting. It is not giving you the total, like the overall of that January. And that's what I want you to do in this tax. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So that one aside. Then the second one, I said you should add a pivot table to show the number of I think you guys did this one well. Yeah, you guys did that one well. If you even made it descending also, so you did that one well. And the pivot table to show the number of transactions and revenue by, I don't think Chisom did this one. Add a pivot table to show the number of transactions and revenue by product type, sorted descending and filtered to the top 15 by transaction. Mr. Michael did it, but Chisom.
I did it over me. I not do my own top 15. Oh.
Okay, okay, okay. And I understand that's because of you don't know how to do it right.
Yes.
Okay, so that's understandable. I'm going to show you that also. So I think for the pivot table, you guys did well actually. You did well. Now for your dashboard. For your dashboard. Okay. If I say it, my guys might not understand. So instead of me saying it, I'm going to send you a YouTube link that you're going to watch. That's your assignment. A YouTube link you're going to watch before our next class on how a dashboard should be arranged and organized. Dashboard is not difficult as long as you've gotten your pivot table. I don't think doing a dashboard should be difficult. It's just the settings, how you arrange it. Because if you present your dashboard like that to me, I won't accept it. For Mr. Michael, your dashboard, the colors, I don't like it. I don't like the colors. No, I don't. Why? Because you're using a yellow background and your text on that yellow, it's not even just yellow background, a dark yellow background, and the text you have on that yellow background is black. It's not obvious, like it's not readable. It's not looking, I don't know how to put the word, it's not looking beautiful for me to say, okay, let me start looking at it. You did well with putting a title. You did well with arranging it, making it wide and things like that. You did well with that, but you see that color? No, the color is out of it. It is better for you to use a white background and the heading make it yellow background or something, but that background for that chart itself is, if maybe if you had used a yellow background and you used white text, not black, white text on that yellow background, I think it would have been obvious or readable, because that yellow is very very dark, very dark. So I'm not in support with that color. That's for Mr. Michael. Chisom, your dashboard, the only issue I'm having with your dashboard, you did well, like your pivot table, everything, you did well with it. Even with your charts, I don't think you even did too much with colors. You did well with it, but on your dashboard, it is too tiny. I could not see it. it is not readable at all. Like the sizes for each chart is just too tiny. And I'm sure you zoomed in, like you zoomed in. So I was still wondering why exactly is this thing still small. So you did not arrange that stuff very well. So that's why I'm going to send you guys a link, like a YouTube link of a video actually. You guys have to watch it and understand how a dashboard should be created and arranged. Because if your dashboard is not organized, if you submit that to your shareholder, they will not, even if your insight, even if your findings make sense, trust me, they will not look at it. Even if your analysis makes sense, as long as you are submitting this kind of thing to your shareholder, your board of directors, they won't. I repeat, they won't look at it. The last dashboard I showed you guys, you can see how wide it was. I made everything very readable for you to see, right? I did that. I showed you guys how the dashboard was. I made everything very readable for you to see. That is how a dashboard should be. That's how a dashboard should be created. Not one that if you carry it to your shareholder or to your supervisor, even if your findings are making sense, they won't even bother to look at it for 1 second because they'll be like, what's this? Should I be straining my eye? So I think that's all the correction I have to make. Apart from those corrections, you guys did well. Yeah, you did well. So any question now?
My question is, though you talked about it, how do we use the pivot table concerning the dates, like so that it will not be showing about the month, so that it will not be showing each individual dates rather than showing the complete full month, like January, February, March, because I tried that severally and I couldn't get it. So I think that's the one of the challenge I have.
Okay. Okay. What about you, Chisom? Any question? I can't hear you, Chisom.
I don't have questions for
Okay.
now.
Okay. Okay, so back to okay, I think this call is about to end. So I'm going to end this call, then send a new link so that I will just share my screen and I will show you how to do the date stuff.
I'm not connected. I don't talk now. Good evening. No. This up.
Yep.
I'll say something.
Okay. You want to show me something?
Will tell you something.
Okay, tell me. Okay.
So I restricted my LinkedIn account.
Eh? I can't hear you.
Restricted my LinkedIn account.
Eh, yes, you told me. I said you should use your NIN. Like, verify with your NIN.
I, I've never done that one. Then I went to Instagram to start posting, and today I got a job.
Are you for real?
Yes, I'm serious.
And you did not tell me. Hey.
It's just this night now. I wanted to join this call. I now saw the man's message. Then when I told him I should go and meet my new supervisor, message him. I was like, they're like, congratulations, you got the job.
Wait.
I don't believe it. I have to clean my eyes first.
God. Wait, okay, so what's the job all about? Hey, we're in a class. Ah, okay. I will message you. But let me know what's the job all about first.
I'm an assistant and social media manager.
That's nice. Okay, it was from the virtual assistant class that you did, right?
Yes.
Oh, that's nice. Wow. No worry, we'll still talk about this later. Mhm.
Yes, yes.
We thank God for that. Okay, so
Samantha has not joined.
I think he's here. Is he already? Right, Mr. Michael, you're here.
Yes, ma'am, here with Chisom. I'm just listening because I know we're gonna celebrate this.
Thank you.
Congrats.
Thank you.
Okay, so Andy, I even wanted to show you that coffee shop sales. I wanted to show you my own, like, because I also worked on it. I worked on it before. Where is it now? So I want to show you my own dashboard. I'll just show you the dashboard and I'll go you from there. If you can see my screen, let me know.
I can see your screen.
Yep.
Same here, ma.
Okay, so this is my dashboard. So I was here. What I'm trying to say is that total revenue by month. This is how it's going to look like. January. Hey God, this people. January. Sorry. Please give me a minute. I'm coming. See how far you brought me. Okay. I have so many things opened. So this is how it's going to look like. So I'm going to show you the formula to use to generate this January, February, March, April, May, and June. This is how it's going to look like. Then the days of the week, because definitely you want to know which day of the week do they make sales the most. I'm going to show you how to also from that the same date column. I'm going to show you how to generate the dates, like the day, I mean the day of the week: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. I'm going to show you how to do this also. And if you notice it in your column, sorry, in your data set, you also have transactions by hour, sorry, by time. If you check, you also have transaction by time. So I'm going to show you how to extract hours from that particular time. There's a formula for it actually. So which is what we are going into now. So that can, if you have viewed it very well. Hope you viewed this dashboard very well. So this is how I expect your upcoming dashboard to look like. Now, I don't know the name of this company. I don't know the name of the coffee sales shop. I don't know. But I had to give it the vibe of, oh, it is related to coffee. The color. This is a chocolate color. This logo that you're seeing right here, I had to pick it from, I just went online to go and search for coffee shop sales, coffee shop logo. That was what I just wanted to go and do online. And I just saw this logo and I just picked it and I included it there. This is the slicer for the store location. This is the slicer for product type. This is for transaction by product category. This is for the top 15 products. Instead of you using charts, you can also bring it here as a table if you want. So most of these things, your pivot table, you can always copy it and paste it here. If you know it's your pivot table you want to use as the analysis, it's not a chart. Do you understand? I think in this top 15 products, I said that you should look for the transaction and revenue by product type. Yes, product type. So this is the transaction, this is the revenue. The only thing I did not add here is the currency. I don't think I had currency. No, I did not add the currency here. But this is supposed to have currency, I mean. Do you understand? Okay.
No,
No.
I don't.
Wait, what part don't you
Yes, I don't.
understand?
I don't know. I feel like everything is so confusing as I'm looking at it.
Mr. Mikey, what about you? Let me know.
Ma, I understand, but I'm still waiting to get the explanation of the month.
Okay. Okay, I didn't know I even showed you guys this dashboard. Okay. How do I explain this? How do I explain this? Okay. In your data set, we want to know the total revenue by month. That was the question I gave to you, right? Look at this chart. This one I'm clicking on right now. This particular chart. This one. So you want to know the revenue, the total revenue by month. We have 6 months there. But if you don't use a formula to extract the month alone, it will be giving you both the month, the year, and the day together, which is going to make your chart look so bulky and things like that, like what people are having now. So in my own dashboard, I have been able to extract the month from the date column. Like if you look at your own data set, we have date column there. So from that date column, we are going to extract the month that is there. The same way, we are going to extract the day. Maybe like today is 26, right? So today is 26, but today falls on Tuesday. The same way, if you see a particular date that it is 1st of January 2023, it means, I don't know when that first falls, whether it's on Monday or Tuesday, I don't know, but whatever that first falls under, maybe let's assume that it's on Monday. So 1st of January 2026 is on Monday. So we want to extract that day. It's only that day we want to extract. So we're extracting the month, we're extracting the day. Because if you say you want to extract the day, it means transactions by day of the week. We want to know which day exactly do we make sales. Which day do the customers always come to patronize us? So they're going to this is a very important analysis. So they're going to analyze this also. But for you to do that, you need to understand what they do at the back end, which is the formula that they use to extract the month and to extract the day. The same way for hours. You said Chisom said she noticed that she feels that maybe when people are going to work in the morning, they're always buying coffee. Okay, what time do people really rush into the store to get something? That is transaction by hour of the day. We have 7 o'clock, we have 8 o'clock, we have 9, we have 10, we have 11, we have 12, we have 1 o'clock, which is in the afternoon. So they make much sales around 7 o'clock, which is when people are actually going to work. So for you to know if, oh yes, by 7 o'clock we're always having customer, you need to analyze it. And before you can analyze it, you have to extract it, which is what is going on in the back end. Let's just go into the practical so that you understand much better. Okay, so let me uh share. Where is it? Okay, so that's not. If you can see my screen, please let me know.
I cannot see it yet. Okay, I can see it now.
Okay.
Same here, ma.
Okay. Sorry. Okay. So now, good. What's going on? Okay. So in our first column we have transaction ID. In our second column we have transaction date. If you look at this, we already know. Let's say we know already that this is 1st of January. We don't know whether the first one that we're seeing, maybe the first one is for January or for the day. We don't know. But let's scroll down. Let me see. But see, imagine scrolling down, scrolling down. You can't be doing this while scrolling down. Imagine you can't be doing this and be scrolling down. Imagine before we can get to the second day, you have to get to row 552. So we can't be doing that to know the day, which means the first number you are seeing is for the month. This one they are seeing is for the month. Then the second number you are seeing is for the day, which is the first day, the second day here is for the day. Then the last one is the year. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do, just follow along, please. I'm going to create a new column. I'm going to click on the column C and create a new column. I'm going to create 2 new columns because I want to extract month and I also to extract day. Sorry, my sister. Okay, so insert a new column. Insert a new column. So now the first thing I want to do, inserting the second column right now. I'm inserting it beside the transaction date because that's where I want it to be. So this first column, hope you can see my screen, please. This first column is going to have our month. This second column is for the day of the week. The day of the week. Now, how do I get the month that is in this transaction date column? How do I get it? The formula is this, equals to text this converts a value to text in a specific number format. So text, double click on it, double click on it, then click on this first one. I'm going to use the first cell, which is this first cell. Click on it, then press your comma, double quote, M. This is 4M, and that M stands for month. Do you understand? The M stands for month. If I want Okay, the M stands for month, so close it, then press enter. Can you see that? So M, like it's going to be four. It's going to be four. So M is for month. If you want to do day, it is D, like D four times. That's for day. Do you understand?
No, ma.
Okay.
I understand, ma. So now, ma, we will now go back to filter it, and by checking the days that fall under January,
No,
highlighting it, and come back in.
no, you're not doing that, oh. Hey, God. Hey, Jesus. What's going on now? Ah, no, you're not doing it like that, though. Hold on, let me explain to Chisom about this month own again. Hold on, I'm coming. So, now, Chisom, this is our transaction date. But looking at our transaction date, we don't know which one is month, which one is day. We don't even know. And we want to know the month that is being worked for. Now you might say that, oh, this is a 6 month data. What of if in the month of March they close down, maybe they did not work at all? You want to know. So we have to extract the month from this date transaction date. And for you to extract that, you need a formula for it. And this is the formula. The formula is equals to text. It means that you want to extract the date, but I want Excel to give it to me as a text. Now, sorry, month, I mean. If you want to extract month, Excel can give it to you as numbers. Like, January will stand for first, February is for second, March is for third. Excel can give it to you in numbers, but we are telling Excel that we want it in text, like in alphabet. So the first thing is equals to then text. Double click on it. Then they are asking you for the value. What is the value? Our value is what is in our transaction date column, but we're going to click on the first cell, that which is the first one. It's showing us the transaction date. Then click on comma. The next thing they are asking you here is format text. Format text in the sense that what, sorry, I think someone, sorry, please hold on. Sorry, someone is trying to join, so I'm trying to like add the person.
Miss Remy.
I should be added.
Yes, I just saw that she joined.
Okay.
Face up.
Yeah.
Good evening. My question is that how do I create another column?
Okay, is that your question,
Good
since? Yes, good evening,
Yes,
Aderemi.
that's the question.
Okay. So, I'm coming. Let me go back. So let me just finish up with. Ish. I have a lot of. Please hold on. I'm coming. Can you see my screen?
No.
Okay. What's going on? I should stop stressing me. That lady's voice wants to sound like Ire. Aderemi, have you been able to sort out that Excel? can see my screen, please let me know. If you can see my screen, please let me know.
Yes, ma, we can see now. I can see now.
Okay.
Can see
I
us.
can see it now.
Okay. So after putting your command, the next thing is format text, and our format text is which stands for month. You write it in small letter M. If you want if you want it in capital letter, it means your January is going to be in capital letter throughout. So me, I prefer small letters, so just put small letter there, four times, and it's going to give you the full word January. But if you want it in a short like abbreviation, you can just put only three M there. Then it will give it to you. Let me close the bracket. The enter. So it's going to shorten it for you by Jan, Mama, like stuff like that. But I don't like this. Okay, so back to Chisom. You said you want to create the new column, right? Alight your transaction time. Alight it. Everything, including the header. Alight it. Are you with me?
Yes, ma'am, with you.
Then right click on it. You will see something like insert.
Okay, I've seen it.
So click on insert. The same thing you will do for the second one. So the formula I used just now for this month, use the formula I gave for day. But remember, it is not that are going to be in the day of the week. It's going to be D four times. If you have done that, let me know. Chisom, have you done that?
Yes, ma'am.
So, Mr. Michael, you've gotten the month and the day of the week, right? Chisom also, have you gotten the month and the day of the week?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So if you click on your filter for your month, you can verify that okay, oh, these are the month that is here, which is you can see April, February, January, June, and March. Then for day of the week, it's going to complete the 7 days, which is Sunday, Monday, see Friday, Monday, Saturday, Sunday, Thursday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. So that is how to extract. So if you now say that okay, oh, you want to create a pivot table, let me create it now. Control A, then insert a pivot table. New worksheet. What was that question, Seth? Revenue by month, right? Yes, start revenue by month. So I'm going to click on revenue. Then our month. I'm going to click on the month that I extracted. So if you look at it, this is it right here. Highlight it. Give it the currency sign. You can decide to leave the decimal, or you can decide to remove it. It's your choice, depending on the kind of company you're working for. It's your choice. So do you understand? So with this you can create your chart. So with this you can create your chart like this. Oh, in the month of June they made more sales in the month of June. Sorry, I should have used a column chart because when you are dealing with anything related to time, time and date, you use a line chart. A line chart. Because a line chart represents time series. Yes, how it is going up, going down. So use a line chart. So their highest sales was in June. Do you understand?
Yes, ma.
Chiso, what about you?
So this your question was a setup, and we fall for it.
In fact,
On my pivot,
what did you say, Chiso?
on my pivot table, I can't find my month or my day.
But you created the column.
Yes, I created it.
So, Mr. Michael, there is no how you guys will not fall for it. Me, I didn't know. Except, you can say I was even surprised concerning that top 15. I was surprised that, So, wait, how do you even know that top 15? Chisom, I'm coming first. Let me tackle Mr. Michael first. How did you know about the top 15?
So, like I said, my I went through the filter. So I started going through every study. I saw the top 10, top
Exactly.
I saw top 10. So when I clicked on it, I now saw that I can edit it to the number of tops I want to see. So
Exactly.
I now put 15 there. That's how I now brought the top 15 out for me.
Yeah, that's true. Because I was surprised. So those two questions, I was never expecting any of you to even do it at all. Like I was even expecting you guys to call me because people say that, man, can we call you even during the week? I said yes, call me because I know what people are going
I
to see.
I I wanted to call you concerning the slicer, but then my phone, so I couldn't.
Oh,
That's why.
okay, no problem, it's fine. So back to Chiso. What happened to your month and revenue again now? Oh, sorry, your month and day.
On on the normal sheet is there, but on my pivot table sheet is missing now.
Are you sure?
Mm-hmm.
Have you checked your pivot chart field, like the one at your right side?
Yeah, that I'm looking at. That thing that I'll be ticking
After
to do.
transaction date, what can you see?
I'll come after transaction date. I can see transaction time and transaction quantity.
Okay, share your screen.
Oh, it's not this man that don't.
Oh,
Okay, I'm coming.
use your phone. Like use your phone. Just show me the back camera.
Okay, okay, okay.
Yes. Let me. I think I can stop sharing. Stop sharing so you can share your screen. Just the back camera. You can't use your camera. Oh no, no, do not turn on your camera. Just wait. Did you click on share screen? Okay, so turn it to your back camera.
How can I turn it to my back camera?
Hey, uh, how can you even turn this person?
Okay.
If you click on if you click on the sharing of screen on your phone, I think there's a way there's a part you will see whether it's back camera or front camera or something like that.
Okay. So can you see like this?
Yes. Okay. Go to your normal sheet.
Sheet, one.
Remove that highlight. Remove it. Remove it. Like the way you highlighted everything. Remove it so I can see this thing clearly. Okay. Your day. Okay. You highlighted this thing and you click on insert pivot table, right?
Yes.
Okay, go back to your pivot table.
Okay, this is
Scroll down. Please move your camera closer to it. Let me see. Okay, scroll down.
okay.
Just go to the last place. Let me see if it's there.
Sorry.
So it's not there.
Muslim. I've not even gotten down.
Okay.
Mm,
Have you scrolled down?
No, it's not working. I'm coming. Oh,
Okay, you know what?
done.
Okay.
I scrolled down.
It's not there, right?
It ended at total cost.
Okay. This sheet that you opened for pivot table, close it, like delete it. Do you know how to do
How am I
that?
going to delete it now?
So if you look down, you will see what sheet is this? Is this sheet 4 or whatever sheet is named? Sheet 5. So click on that sheet 5, like right click on it. So
Okay.
you see delete there. So delete it. Then go back to your sheet again, your main sheet. Go back there. Then alight everything. And this time around, alight it from transaction ID. In the sense that put your mouse in transaction ID, then click on Control A.
Okay. Okay. I've highlighted it.
Okay, insert pivot table.
I've done that.
So is it there now?
I want to go and check. It's ended at total cost and only ID, date, and time right there.
What's the issue? Mr. Michael, your own is showing the month and day, right? Can Mr. Michael hear me? Your own is showing the date and month, right? Sorry. Yes, the day and month. hear me. Okay, no problem. Chisom, stop sharing your screen.
Ma, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you now.
Can you hear me now?
Yes.
My own is not showing as well, though. I'm trying to fix it.
Ah. Hey. Are you guys sure you follow the instruction? You know what?
Yes, so
Mr. Michael, share your screen. Since I see your laptop, share your screen. I don't want us to pass 10 o'clock.
So this is it, ma.
Please zoom in. Click on click on what they call it, on one of the cells for the Tuesday. For the Tuesday, click on it. Transaction date. Okay. What's going on? Okay. Transaction date. DDD. Okay. Okay, go to your pivot table. Where your pivot table is, go there.
This is it, ma.
Ah, what's going on?
Yes.
Delete this shit. Delete it. Are you guys sure that you did this thing correctly, Sha? Delete it. Okay, hold on. Chiso, your days of the week
ma.
is before transaction ID, right?
Yes, ma.
Before is it before? Is it immediately after transaction ID or after transaction date?
Days of the week. No, there. I have transaction ID, transaction date, month, and day.
Okay. Okay, so Mr. Michael, so I like this from transaction ID. Click on transaction ID. Click on it. Just click on this first cell, transaction ID. Control A. Now, insert pivot table. What's going on? Delete this shit. As you already know, if we don't sort out one issue, we cannot move forward. Okay, so you see those two columns? Delete it. The days of the month and sorry, the days of the week and the month. Delete it. Yes.
Hold on, by it's loading now.
I understand.
I don't know why this thing always take time. Okay, ma.
So click on column C.
Transaction time.
Yes, click on it. Right click.
Hold on, my it's loading.
No problem.
Okay.
So click on insert one column to the left.
Done, ma.
So change the name header to month. So the first cell equals to, put the formula there, equals to text. Click on the first cell in your transaction time. Yes. Oh, okay. Wait. Hey. Hope it's not what I'm thinking. Comma. Then double quote. Double click. Delete. So double quote. Put MMM 4 times. Close it. Double quote again. Close it. Press enter. You guys did not format this thing. Chiso, is your transaction date looking like this? Wait, Mr. Don't move. Chisom, is your transaction date looking like this? Like 2023 01/24.
No, my own is slash.
How is it? Is it 2023 slash?
No, the first of the like January is the first something, then followed by the day, then the year.
Okay, that's how your own is.
Yes,
Is it at the right side or the left side?
left. No, right. Wait, right. Yes, right.
Okay. Mr. Michael, alight it to insert a pivot table. Let's check this. No, like alight from, yes. Then insert a pivot table. It's not there.
It's not there.
Okay. So firstly, the only issue me I can see here is go back to your main sheet. The only issue I can see here is the fact that click on your date, your transaction date, click on it. Like one of the cell, click on it. And it's showing that this is a date format. This is not a date format though. This format I'm seeing here is actually not a date format. It's not.
Ma, you know, the last time I had same issues about formatting dates. I think that was when we started complaining about this Excel.
Okay, okay. Oh, oh. Yeah, I think I remember. Ah, God, this will give us issue. I was thinking, but why exactly is it not showing your pivot table? If it is showing in the main sheet, it's also showing your pivot table. Okay, you know what? Let's stop for now.
Okay.
Let's stop for now. Um, I will figure it out. I'll try to figure it out from my own end. But you guys should also try to figure it out from your own end. Like what exactly is the issue? So if I'm able to get a solution, I will send you a message like on the Telegram group. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so for now, because I need 10 o'clock, and I don't want us to be doing our class past 10. Yeah, so let's just stop for now. At least you remember the formulas I say you guys should use. If you can just remember that, then if you are trying to make it work and it works out, let me know. From my own end, also, I will try to also figure it out. Okay, thank you very much. And we'll be meeting our next class on
Thank you,
Thursday.
ma'am. We love you from here.
Good night.
Good night.
Welcome.